Hi everybody, welcome to Crystal Kitty Corner. What are we doing today, Honey Bunny?
Orbeez!
Orbeez! These are our first Orbeez ever, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open the top up and then you can do the rest.
Yeah, the tapes. I can't open the tape.
Alright, go for it.
You can see I have a little sucky ring here.
Okay, we got little trays.
That's all.
Alright, let's set this box at the back.
Scissors, please, Mommy.
Okay, so I'll get it.
Okay, go to the packs.
We'll show each one on camera. See what colors
We have some yellow. And here's some red. And last we have some green. It's more red.
Oh, awesome.
More green. More red. And more yellow. There's two packs of yellow, 2 packs of green, and 3 packs of red. Okay.
And it's 1,000 Orbeez in this box.
1,000 Orbeez.
Yeah, we have no idea how big 1,000 Orbeez gets. We've started with a little bowl of water, but we may have to swap that out partway through. But we'll see what happens. And these are interesting too. Also comes with an activity guide and instructions.
Ooh.
And instructions are on this side. We'll have to read through those. And here's some other things we can get. All right, well, let's read through these instructions and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I guess we're ready to start putting Orbeez in. Let's bring those around front to the water bottle or water bowl. All right, and pour them on in.
Our yellow. One left stuck in there.
Now, I've done this in warm water because I've seen on some of the other YouTube videos a few people saying that warm water works better. Whether it does or not, I guess we'll see. Okay, you want to give that a little bit of a stir up? Ooh, look at them swirl around. And I've added a pinch of salt to the bowl of water as well, according to the instructions. It helps keep them fresh a little longer. Okay, so now all we have to do is sit here and wait for them to grow. Everybody kick back, put your feet up. We're going to be here a long, long time. Just kidding. I think we'll pause it until they grow. How about that? We'll be back shortly. Okay, so this is what our Orbeez look like after soaking overnight. They're not as big as I thought they'd get, but let's dump out the water and see what they look like. Okay, we've got the water all poured out, and this is what we have. Oh boy.
Orbeez.
Orbeez, don't they feel funny?
Oh, here's some that feel pink.
Yeah, that's about the size that they came out for us.
This is a red one, and over here it looks like it's pink. So let's get started.
I like those. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to do a Shopkins challenge. We're going to hide some Shopkins in a container, and then we're going to have a race to see who can find them. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to do a Shopkins challenge. So here's the rules, anybody. We have 1 Kinder Surprise egg to open. There are 6 hidden Shopkins. We're going to take turns to get the 3. So we'll try to find 1 Shopkin each. We'll both go at the same time, but we'll We'll go until somebody finds one. We'll say on your mark, get set, go, and away we go. And then we'll stop as soon as somebody finds one. And the first person to get all their 3 Shopkins wins. Okay, so put your hand in, get ready. Other hand.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Oh, found one! That was quick. That's Gummy. I can't remember his name. We're going to show the names on screen later. That's number 1. Okay, start. Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, you got one. That was fast. Let's see him on screen here. This is Suds. That's 1 for you and 1 for me. We're tied.
This one was Suds.
Oh yeah, that's Silky conditioner. Okay.
That one was
You're
Suds.
right. Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go! I see what you're going for.
You got it.
Oh, I got it. Her name was Chloe Flower, I think. Super cute. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Here's Eggy.
Yeah, I think his name is Googie.
Yeah,
I'm not positive.
Googie.
Okay, we're tied, so wait. No looking. Last one loses. On your mark. Get set. Go!
I got one.
Oh.
I win.
So,
I thought you were gonna win.
Alfoil, I think.
Alfoil.
You're the winner. Congratulations. Yay. All right, let's
Here's
bring
our
it,
Kinder Egg.
bring it way over the bowl at the back here so people can see. Perfect. Okay.
It's chocolate over here.
Let's see what's inside.
Ooh.
Can you get it? Do you want help?
Ooh.
Oh, some of them are tightly packed. That's what this one must be. All right, open her up and see
Oh,
what
we
it is.
already have one of these, Mommy.
Oh, is it a duplicate?
Car.
Oh, car. Okay, you want me to open the flyer? Show everybody what the picture is?
Wait, no. Yeah, it's a duplicate. Sticker.
Alrighty, we'll go put the card together and we'll be right back. So this is what we have. Little shooter thing at the back with an elastic. I'll show you how it works at the end of the video. So, Honey Bunny, did you like our Orbeez? Fun to play with. Oh, there's my last one. Pretty breadstick, or slick breadstick. These are pretty cool. I think we're gonna have to do some more videos with these. Super much fun. Super fun. Okay, so everybody, thanks for stopping by and watching our video. And don't forget to
Subscribe.
and like and give us a comment too. If we've forgotten or gotten some of the Shopkins names wrong, let us know in the comments. Bye bye everybody.